What is up, you shoe fanatics? My name is Izzy, and today's video is going to be about showing you guys how to obtain the blank canvases of the Pharrel NMDs. First things first, if you guys can do me a huge favor and just hit that subscribe button, definitely helps me out, and definitely helps me put more content out there for you guys. Second thing is we do have a giveaway that we are releasing on our YouTube channel. If you guys haven't checked it out, make sure you guys go check it out. Our Instagram page is at official SellSneakerz, currently at 326 followers. Hopefully we get that up. And it just shows proof that we're a legitimate company-sized business just trying to help you guys. Here's proof right here with the Yeezy supply that we got. We got 4 out of the 5 confirmation stuff. Then here you go with the OVOs and gold toes and stuff like that. Alright, so one thing that I do want to say is, number one, I'm not sponsored by any of these people that I'm going to be giving you guys advice about. AIO bot doesn't sponsor me, but if they could, that'd be awesome, but they don't. Now, this bot I do recommend you guys using for a lot of foot sites, especially Adidas. I definitely got a lot of good releases going on for here and a lot of success. So this is the bot that I'm going to be using today, the AIO bot. And then the proxies and stuff that I do recommend you guys using would be from dropclub.io. And you guys can find that in the link description. I think they're down right now, but they should be up pretty soon. The other proxy server that I would like you guys to check out would probably be the My Private Proxy right here. Currently, right now, for example, you clicked on dedicated proxies. Then you go and pick which one you would pick, obviously the ones that you want. And then when you click on the one that you got, whatever, you can either pick which region or location you're from. Obviously, I'm from the United States, so I'm going to go ahead and pick that. Then you're going to go ahead and pick which foot site you would like to pick. I personally pick Adidas because that usually works with majority of stuff that the proxies use and stuff. Then the other thing, you guys can do me a favor and go ahead and check out our website at www.sellsneakerz.com. Right here is a specific membership that we do have. Basically just trying to help you guys out with more detailed information. We do have a Discord chat that is located down right here. And we have 75 plus members. We're trying to get it up more higher. So if you guys go ahead and check that out, go ahead and join us and stuff. Alright guys, so I'm going to show you guys how to set up the NMD black canvas. NMD's coming out this Friday, pretty sure. Let's see. Yeah, so it comes out on February 23rd, 2018. The code is AC70131. The retail price is $250. As of right now, it is going on the US, Adidas, and I think in the Europe one too, but I could be wrong. Oh, there you go, Europe, down here. The other chances that I recommend for you guys increasing your chances and stuff like that would definitely be checking out the raffles that they do. I specifically do enjoy going to SneakerBot and stuff, and clothing and foot district. Now, I've done all these right now already. As you can see, I clicked on that one, but you haven't seen the other ones. But I would definitely go and check that out. You can check out all this information with future shoes coming out by just going to soullinks.com, which will be linked in the bottom. This site definitely helped me with a lot of stuff that's been coming out in the future and stuff, and it just keeps me updated with the shoe releases and etc. Alright, so first things first, what you want to do is go ahead and open up your bot thing. So for example, I use AIO bot. So I'm going to go ahead and pick that up. Click yes. Oh, it's already up. Whoops. Okay. So once you get to here, all you really want to do is pretty simple, nothing too complex. First things first that I like to do is I go to configure and I like to go to proxies. Now this is where you'll be inserting all your proxies and etc. You can put edit and stuff like that, but obviously there's nothing enabled in here. So you want to go ahead and put that. I would put maybe 50-50 proxies in here and then 50% of proxies inside the monitor page. Then all you're going to do is pretty much just put save. Now once you have that, it's going to say down here that it's been enabled and you have loaded a specific amount. So for this purpose I have 0 right now, but as you can tell, like, it's working. The next thing that I would want to do is obviously you're going to want to get the site. So for example, we're going for this shoe, we're going to go and click on the link. You're going to go ahead and copy this link up top, go back into your bot, and all you really want to do is click on the site, which was Adidas. You're going to go ahead and go and put early link, and you're going to go ahead and paste that. Now for the positive key is going to be XXX. I'm pretty sure Adidas takes guest passes, so you're going to go ahead and put yes. As you're going, yeah, you can tell it does. And then you're down for your guests and stuff, for your email and etc. All you want to do is put a specific size. For example, my size is currently 8.5 to 9, so I'm going to go ahead and put 8.5. The next thing you want to do is go ahead, this is for options only if you want to. You don't necessarily have to do this, but I personally put my email down just in case I get a notification of my success and etc. So I usually put that down. The next thing that you want to do is, I know that Adidas, specifically Adidas only, you're gonna want to use a tool called HMAC Destroyer. So you want to go ahead and click that. You're gonna go ahead and put the PID number, which is actually right here on top. We're gonna go ahead and copy that. You want to do is go back into your bot, HMAC Destroyer. You're gonna want to paste that. Now, obviously, I'm in Adidas. I'm in the US. So I'm gonna go ahead and click on US. The threads of proxies I recommend would probably be number 2 or 3. I don't do it on 40. I actually click 60. So I'm gonna go ahead and upper mine up. Then you're gonna go ahead and search some of the proxies here. Now, what you want to do is you're going to want to start this maybe 2 minutes before the thing actually starts, and you're also going to want to start your bot as well. Now, to add these things too, I forgot to mention was all you got to do is put add or create, and then you get this. Now, if you want to go ahead and configure and have a checkout instead of doing it just manually, you can go ahead and go to configure, go to manage billing, and then press OK. You're going to go to add. Oh, whoops. New. Sorry. So right here it gives you the PayPal information. All you gotta do is just go ahead and put your friendly name, whatever. My name is Izzy, so I'm gonna go ahead and put Izzy, etc. My PayPal test at gmail.com, password, whatever. And then for the credit card information, all you really gotta do is put your name. For example, use mine, Izzy, last name, test, address, testing, 1472, whatever. You get the understanding. And all you want to do so you can skip this is just click on this. It's going to go ahead and fill out this thing for you, whatever you have here to here. And then for the card information, you're going to go ahead and put on the information that's written on your card. Make sure you guys don't have any spaces with the card number and etc. Make sure you guys have it all clear. And double check the credit card. I'm telling you right now because I had a couple times where I wasn't able to put the credit card number right because I misplaced it by one number or I was too much in a rush. The other thing that I would recommend is if you guys prep for this, make sure you prepare an hour or two ahead of time to make sure that all your proxies are working. Now, I'm actually going to talk about that right now. So I have a testing thing that lets me know if my proxies are working. It's called the Proxy tool, created by one of my friends that gave it to me. Now what you do is you load up your proxies with the service things that you have here, and then you just go ahead and put it in there. Now it checks it up and it shows if they failed or if they're still working. So that's how you can check if your proxies are working. I necessarily love this one a lot. And then the other thing I was going to talk to you guys about is increasing your chances. You know, if for some reason you guys don't have the opportunity to buy a bot, I would definitely recommend you guys making a purchase and investing in it. It definitely saved me a lot of money and later in life because I obviously made it back by getting so many pairs of shoes. Now the other thing that I do recommend is possibly buying servers. Now I don't have a server name right here for you guys because luckily with me, my school actually gave me a server. So what I use is called VMware Workstation 14 Player. I run ISOs like the Windows 10 version on that or Windows Server 12 I mean. So what that does is it gives me a free server and I pretty much just run my bots or stuff like that on that. Now that does give you a better chance of carding out with success, but it doesn't work all the time. The other thing that I want to talk about too is make sure that when you add an account, make sure you put adding billing of task. And you're gonna go ahead and have your thing that's already set up, and you're gonna go ahead and press add, so you can manually check that out. And then the other thing that I want to talk about too that I forgot to mention was when you click on your manage billing and stuff, and you put new. If you just want to get one shoe per site, so for example, let's just say if it was a different shoe, like a Jordan or something, and you had different foot sites, you would go ahead and just make multiple tasks, obviously. But for some purposes, for some people, to make sure that they don't get charged extremely crazy on their credit cards, I would definitely just click on checkout once per website. So one on Adidas, one on Foot Locker, one on Foot Action, and etc. So you would understand. Alright, so once you got that running right there, you're gonna go ahead and what's it called? Oh yeah, so you're gonna keep on going if you guys want to make more tasks. So I'm gonna go ahead and make a 9, add 9.5, add, yeah, okay. So after that, you're gonna go ahead and hit create task. Now right now it's in idle mode, which means that they're not really active right now. I haven't started the thing, so it's not gonna start or work. Now once you get these sizes running and get it going, and obviously I don't have my credit card or my PayPal connected to it right now. You can actually manually do it. I forget how you do it, but I'll probably show you. Oh yeah, manual. Pretty sure. I could be wrong. I forget. But usually I always link up my card, so it usually works and I get a success. So once it gets started, maybe a minute or two prior before the release actually comes out, what you want to do is just start all Adidas tasks. It's going to be running, it's going to give you signs and stuff, and make sure your proxies are working. I'm telling you right now, if you guys do not have your proxies working, you will get banned from Adidas or any foot site that you're currently trying to get for a shoe. You know, the only way you find out if you made it through is if you go to the shoes added list. It's gonna go ahead and say, I'm pretty sure either success or it's going through the cart or something like that. So let this thing do its thing. You know, I say give it about an hour before you give up with anything. I personally don't like giving up, so I usually check on twitter.com and go on to what is it, the Yeezy page or whatever, the Adidas, and they notify me and let me know how many pairs they have left and etc. So I definitely stay put with that. The other thing, like I said, to help you guys increase your chances is definitely joining our Discord. Now, the members that we do have in there are professionals who do reselling and stuff like that, and who are committed into trying to help one another or get these shoes. So this is definitely going to help you guys into the next release for the NMD stuff. If you guys have any more questions, comments, or concerns, don't hesitate to comment down in the comment section below. I don't mind helping you guys with anything that you have for concerns, questions, and etc. Like I said, this is just giving you advice on how to increase your chances. I'll be making another video on how to use a different bot, but as of right now, I'm just using the AIO bot. So if you guys enjoyed the video, just do me a favor, go ahead and like this video down below, and then comment down, like I said, if you need any questions. And most importantly, don't forget to subscribe. Alright guys, I'm out, and have a good day.